Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video really interesting because in this video I am going to show how to convert a normal banner to a motion banner easily without After Effects or Premiere Pro. It's a free tool anyone can use. So if want to animate your still banner or poster, then watch the full video. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you. What we need: PSD or EPS of our banner, Photoshop or Illustrator for converting the banner to PNG, based on what type of format you have, an internet connection. That's all. First, open your banner in Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. Select the banner. I am selecting this EPS banner. It is an earbud banner. Now we have to convert this EPS file into PNG separately. It's really easy to do, so I am speeding up this process. FlexClip.com. After opening FlexClip.com, you have to create an account. You can easily create an account from Gmail or Facebook. Also, you can create with your personal email account. FlexClip is a free, simple yet powerful web-based video maker that creates marketing videos and family stories in minutes. FlexClip gives users an easy-to-navigate and handy tool for making videos that are compact and enticing. With its simple user design and experience, users will find it easy to create stunning videos within a few minutes. Its competitive suite of tools for video creation enables your business can entice consumers to click, influence their purchasing intent, enhance overall traffic to your branded site, and encourage and promote an idea on your social media platforms. If join Flex from the description link and use Flex15 code, you will get 15% off on your first purchase. Hurry up and check the description right now. After opening FlexClip, click Start from Scratch. Now select Timeline Mode. Then select Video Size. I am going to choose 1:1 because it is my banner size. Now time import the PNG files you just converted. Select all files and import them into FlexClip now. Now we have to adjust the PNG as the banner. Adjust them carefully. After adjusting, we have to add the motion effect to the PNG file adjust layer to create perfect motion banner. Watch the tutorial carefully for how I create a motion banner from these PNG files. This tool really easy to use, so anyone can easily create your motion banner or any type of animation work. It's a really good online tool. And important things, it's have 3,000 of free template that can be easily editable. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content.